Peace and gratitude, family, and welcome to another episode here on CosmicCellFoods, where we focus on entrepreneurship, health, and spiritual evolution. In today's video, we're going to talk about the number one entrepreneurial disease, distraction. We're going to firstly go over the mindset that it takes to remove distractions from your life. Secondly, we'll be going over the disappear effect and how to use it properly, how to make it work, how to go into your hermit mode and come out with your goals fulfilled. And people looking around like, where did all this come from? This was all overnight. The disappear effect. And lastly, we'll go over the top 3 rewards that you receive from removing distraction and replacing it with intentional attention. And for one lucky subscriber who watches the video all the way through and also has a business, my team will run your ads for the day for free. So make sure you watch the video all the way through, subscribe, and like. Now let's get into it. All right, family, so let's go ahead and get this thing started. We know that the number one entrepreneurial disease is distraction. So we have to have a mindset of distraction removal. So what does developing a mindset of distraction removal look like? It looks like, if this is not helping me evolve, it's a distraction. That's the mindset. So friends, family, habits, emotions, thoughts could very well be distractions disguised as camaraderie or pleasure. So we have to understand, to become a successful entrepreneur and remove the number one entrepreneurial disease, distraction, if it's not helping me evolve, it's a distraction. This goes into the quality of your interactions over quantity of interactions. So this means you should only interest yourself with the interactions that help you evolve. This automatically affects the quality of your interactions, because you're getting distractions out of your life, and the only interactions that are left are quality ones that help you evolve. Those are quality interactions. Those are quality conversations, the ones that help you evolve. So now, once we got the mindset in order, now we can get into some implementation, because the mindset comes first, then implementation comes after, to actually attain the goal that we're trying to receive, which is being a number one entrepreneur. That's what we're trying to achieve. So we got to remove that distraction. Now let's get into the implementation. The implementation is the disappear effect. The disappear effect is simply getting intentional about your life goals. This is getting intentional about your direction. This is getting intentional about the legacy that you want to leave, whether health, wealth, spiritual evolution. This is getting very clear and intentional about the goals that you want for your life. Once you get intentional about the goals that you want to achieve in your life, now we have to get extremely focused and attentive to that goal. So this means creating a game plan for execution. When you get into this state of getting focused and attentive to the goal, this is when you will start receiving those messages from the Most High about what it is that you need to do. The messages can be received in this stage because you got intentional about where you want to go. You're getting extremely focused about that goal that you want to receive. Now that we got some messages about where exactly we need to go, we got a game plan to execute. Now it's time to execute the actions. It's time to immediately execute the actions that will fulfill that goal. So this means executing the game plan. Executing the game plan from step 2. Once we begin to start making some forward progression into the execution of our game plan, we get some small successes. Once we have some small successes, the small successes from that progression lead to our fulfillment of that goal. So now we repeat this process every time we're ready to evolve to another level. This is entrepreneurship. This is in your health. This is in your spiritual evolution. Every time you're ready to go to that next level, you have to complete this same step over again. Sometimes you can do it fast. Sometimes you do it slower. But as you begin to build that muscle, you get faster and faster and faster. Your manifestations get bigger and bigger and bigger. And you can create those bigger and bigger manifestations even faster the more that you practice this. So I'm gonna leave this part right here for another video, because that is a whole video in itself. I was gonna put this in this video, but I think it's necessary to make this its own video. But I hope this information has helped you understand exactly how to get focused with the right mindset. Remove the distractions. If it's not helping you evolve, you need to remove it from your life, because it's distracting you. Because those distractions could easily be disguised as camaraderie and pleasure. So family, friends, that's distracting you. Habits, emotions, and thoughts that's distracting you. These need to be removed so we can get focused on what it is that we're trying to get to. Because this right here, the distractions, is blocking you from getting to this. It's blocking you from getting to this point, the execution of the game plan and the fulfillment of that goal. All right. So this is the number one entrepreneurial disease, distraction. So I guarantee if you implement these steps and strategies here, you can become one of the number one entrepreneurs on this planet. That's a guarantee. It only takes $400,000 to be in the 1%. And that is very easy to be done. So for one lucky subscriber who watches the video all the way through and has a business, my team is going to run your ads for a day for free. So again, family, if you remove distraction and begin to implement the things that will bring you fulfillment of your goal, you will have successfully defeated the #1 entrepreneurial disease, distraction. Until the next video, CosmicCellFoods, we out. If you enjoyed this video, it's a probable guarantee that you're going to like this one as well. So go ahead and give it a gander. And remember to keep it cosmic.